Money is an essential part of our daily lives. We need money to meet our basic needs like food, shelter, clothing, and healthcare. Money enables personal growth, self-improvement, and the pursuit of passions. And with the rise of the internet, making money has never been easier. Imagine pocketing over $80 every week with just a few clicks of a button. What? Sounds too good to be true? This app feasts on your untapped data, and voila! This app rewards you with cold, hard cash. Exciting, isn't it? Yes, you heard that right. So, grab your devices, sit back, and let's explore how you can turn your idle internet into some extra cash. Let's dive in. This incredible website called Repocket rewards us for sharing our unused data. Just visit their platform and let their app take charge. Watch as your unused data turns into real cash in your pocket. To sweeten the deal, they even provide an amazing income calculator, so you can easily estimate your potential earnings. Picture this. You've got 6 devices, and by simply allowing them to consume 6 gigabytes of data, you could be looking at a cool $216 per month. Let's say you have 8 devices with 8 gigabytes of unused data, you can make more than $300 a month. That's right, a considerable sum for simply sharing your data. All you need to do is activate the app, and voila! It works seamlessly in the background while you use your device as usual. Here's a hot tip. Maximize your earnings by running the app while you sleep. It's the exact strategy many people follow to rake in thousands of dollars. Ready for the sign-up process? Okay, once on the website, simply tap this Create Account button to unlock a world of possibilities. The sign-up process is really simple. All you need to do is fill in your name, email address, and a secret password to set your journey in motion. Hold tight, because once you're done, a confirmation link will be sent to your registered email address. Click it like a champion to unleash your verified account and dive into the website's wonders. Oh, and here's a little surprise for you. A shiny $5 reward, a token of our appreciation. Now, let's descend to the treasure trove below. Behold, the payout option awaits. A mere $20 stand between you and a triumphant payday. With your heroic start of $5, you've already conquered a great portion. Just 15 more victories and the treasure will be yours to claim. Can you feel the thrill? This incredible website holds not one, but 2 golden opportunities to line your pockets with cash. Brace yourself for the wealth-building adventure that awaits you. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. First up, we have the game changer, selling your valuable data. It's time to transform your unused internet data into a lucrative asset. It's as simple as clicking that enticing download button and obtaining our user-friendly app designed for a wide range of devices. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone, we've got you covered. Once you've secured the app, grant it the necessary permissions, and presto, sit back, relax, and watch your earnings soar to new heights effortlessly. But that's not all. Brace yourself for the second piece of the puzzle, referrals. The true powerhouse of earning potential. Share the love and invite your friends and family to join the party. When your referred users make payments, you'll be handsomely rewarded. Picture this. A delightful $5 bonus lands in your account with each successful referral, alongside a remarkable 10% cut from their lifetime earnings. The more you refer, the more your income multiplies. It's an unstoppable money-making machine. Now, let me guide you through the process of earning money by selling your unused internet data. It's a simple and effortless way to generate extra income. To get started, all you need to do is click on the download button provided below to acquire the dedicated app designed for your respective device. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Android, or iPhone, we've got you covered. Our app is compatible with almost all major operating systems. Once you've downloaded the app, grant it the necessary permissions so it can securely access and utilize your unused internet data. Rest assured, we prioritize your privacy and ensure that your personal information remains protected. With the required permissions in place, the app will seamlessly tap into your unused internet data without disrupting your online activities or compromising your internet speed. From there, it's smooth sailing. You don't have to lift a finger or dedicate any additional time. Simply unwind and observe as your earnings grow automatically. Now, let's address any lingering doubts you might have. Trust is crucial, and we understand that. Rest assured, this website, known as Repocket, is built on integrity. Your internet connection is reserved exclusively for responsible research conducted by esteemed organizations. Your data is safe and used ethically, contributing to advancements in various technologies. Now, let's talk numbers. Brace yourself for some serious earning potential. Imagine having unlimited internet or Wi-Fi in your abode, complemented by 8 fabulous devices. With strategic utilization, you can effortlessly earn over $400 in passive income. Let your devices work their magic while you relax and revel in the growing digits in your bank account. It's a financial windfall waiting to happen. Thank you for being a part of our journey. Stay tuned for more captivating videos and brilliant money-making strategies. Together, we'll conquer the path to financial success. Get ready to thrive like never before. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell for future updates. See you in the next one.